How to make a new EA account on PS5. So first of all, open up your web browser and tap on search bar. Now search for EA and tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now at the top part of your screen, tap on your profile icon. Now go to create account. Now enter your date of birth. Now tap on next. Now enter your email address. Now enter your password. Now tap on next. Now tap on create account. Now open up your email and enter your verification code to create a new account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.